Is it weird that I poured milk into this leftover of the cereal so that I can eat a fresh bowl of cereal without having to dirty a bowl? Haley thinks I'm a crazy person. I think I'm a genius because I get to do this now. I need 2 hands, but you get the point.
I think it's disgusting.
I think I'm smart. Look.
Because look, there are bowls available and we're doing the dishwasher, so there's not a shortage.
Yeah, but I figured just don't dirty a bowl. I'll just eat it straight out of the bag. See, now it's even better. I cut the bag, so it's just this little baggie. But there are no spoons. Uh-oh.
Now, if you put things in the microwave for too long, this is what's gonna happen.
What was that?
It was a slice of Topper's pizza.
How long did you put it in for?
About 20 minutes.
I
Look at
just-
the smoke. What an idiot.
I just turned it. I turned it on, I walked away, and this is what happened.
This is our father.
I don't know. Let me try it again. There's one more slice, so I'm gonna try
Our father
it again.
can't microwave a slice of pizza.
Such a
What
moron.
hope do we have?
Big Dog likes the smell. Don't you, Biggs?
Now, there's a piece of pizza. See, when you don't leave it in too long, if you only leave it in for a little bit, it comes out tasting just right.
By the way, this calendar that my dad has is Sharknado. He has a Sharknado themed calendar.
The man who burns pizza in the microwave keeps track of the date with a Sharknado calendar. And what is he up to right now, you ask? Why, eating hot fudge straight out of the jar.
It's good.
Moron. Can you hear it? Can't hear it, but the ice cream man comes around here sometimes. He never shows his face, but you hear his music, and you know he's there. Do you hear that? Show yourself! Oh crap.
Get in that flour.
Come on, get back in the flour. Get back in. Hey, get back. There you go. Okay. Come on, focus, focus.
Nature at its finest.
Wind, go away. Oh!
You know, you can spread the word better. You're on a basketball court in front of hundreds of thousands of millions of people. Spread the word that way, man.
Go, Dad.
I
Go.
like that idea.
See,
That guy's 7'3". The guy next to him is probably 6'1", but you can't tell.
okay, that's enough. Let's get to the comments here of the week. Last week I asked you guys, what album or song are you listening to right now? You guys actually are listening to some good music. Mari Sanchez, Bad Blood, Bastille. I never heard that before. That was pretty good. And then there was Diver by Aluna George. Never heard of them, but that song was pretty cool. It made me go like this. A bunch of you were saying Supermodel by Foster the People. I haven't heard that. I'll have to check out that album. But my favorite of all of you that said anything was Giselle. You were saying that Lake Street Drive. I never heard of them, but that was really good. They're like grooving, and they got a stand-up bass. 17 was the song I checked out. You guys should really listen to that. Haley will be making ice cream this week from scratch. I'll be filming that, so that'll be next week's video. She's making mint chocolate chip ice cream. So let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite ice cream? Mine is mint chip. Honestly, mine is mint chocolate chip or vanilla soft serve with chocolate sprinkles. While I was waiting in line, I had an impulse buy. Starburst makes candles now, and this one smells so good. It was only $1, so I had to buy it.